Hello all, welcome to Juikari YouTube channel. In this Learn with Juikari video, we are going to learn how to make this beautiful engagement ring platter at your home. Let's start. We will require this velvet cloth, a circular cardboard, 2 diya holders, half cut golden beads and a rose golden flower. I have bought these raw material from Ramsuk Market, Ravivarpet, Pune. Now take a velvet cloth, put your circular cardboard on it and mark on some distance and cut it down. Now turn the velvet fabric to the wrong side and using a hot glue gun we are going to stick circular cardboard to the velvet fabric. Now we are going to stick the excess fabric to the back side of the cardboard. As shown in the video, make some cuts from the distance and fold the fabric and stick it to the back side of the cardboard. From the front side it looks like this. Now we will cover the back side. For that we will mark the circle and cut it down. Now cut the excess fabric from the cardboard. Using the fabric glue, I am sticking the loosened fabric to the cardboard. Put some fabric glue to the back side of the cardboard and keep it aside. Now take a circular velvet fabric and fold and stick the edges with the use of fabric glue. Check once all the fabric is already stuck. If not, do finish it. And then with the use of hot glue gun, we are going to cover the back side of the cardboard and finish the edges with the use of hot glue gun. And our base of the ring platter is ready. Now we are going to embellish it with the decorative items. Cut the extra edges of the rose gold flower. With the use of hot glue gun, stick it to the desired place. Now we will decide the place where we want to stick a ring holder. Once the place is decided, with the help of hot glue gun, we will stick the ring holder at the desired place. Now, we will stick the half-cut golden beads to the outer edge of the ring platter. With the use of hot glue gun, we are going to stick and cover the edge of the ring platter with half-cut golden beads. And see how it turned out. To enhance its beauty and to add some extra element, we will stick the golden beads on the velvet fabric at random places. And see how it turned out. Have a closer look to this beautiful engagement ring platter. Do try this engagement ring platter at your home with a very minimum cost. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching Juikari YouTube channel. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon in the next video.